The artificial grass is the perfect solution for all golfers who want to take their game to the next level. With our artificial putting green grass, you can bring the beauty and challenge of golf right into your own backyard. Our artificial putting green grass is designed to look and feel like real grass, giving you an authentic golfing experience right at your own home. Plus, our turf is low maintenance, so you can focus on honing your skills instead of worrying about upkeep. Our artificial putting green grass is designed to withstand any weather condition, so you can practice your game no matter what Mother Nature throws at you. Plus, it's easy to install and maintain. Our artificial grass is of quality. We offer a guarantee of up to 10 years so that you can rest assured of what you are buying. Contact us and get a free quote.